Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can title your Airbnb listing. So for example right here, I made this listing and I named it House in Denver. And the reason for that is when people come here and search for Denver, you want that keyword to show up in the search results. Okay? People will be searching for things like house in Denver, room in Denver, cottage in Denver, right? Any area, for example, room in Wheat Ridge. So that is what you want to go ahead and do with the title. You need to use keywords that people are actually searching for. So go ahead and choose whatever location you are trying to post this in, right? Let's do, for example, Las Vegas. You want to see what people are using in that area as the name. I hear you, boutique hotel in Las Vegas. So whatever your thing is, you want to title it as such so you're actually visible in the search results. So you want to go ahead and do that as the title. So I hope that helps you out and good luck with your listing.